In this video, we will be carrying out security testing. We'll be following the SRS very closely. So, based on the SRS, our first test case is to verify the system user requires user authentication before allowing access to the system. So, let's continue that. We'll click login here and let me log in as an admin first. I have saved the password in my browser, so it's easy for me to click login and save. I don't have to retype everything again and again. So I log in as admin, and yes, it allows us to log in successfully. And now let's log out and try logging in as a customer. Different user role, and yes, we can successfully log in. Now, if we log out and try to access any page without logging in, such as admin, so authorization is blocked in that manner. And if, for example, if I'm logged in as a customer, customers should not be able to view how many admins do we have in the system, or how many customers we have. They should not be able to create new customers and stuff like that. That is the admin functionality. So let's test that. So if I go to customer index, yeah, it gives us the authorization error. And let's try another, and let's try for policy. uh, Customers cannot create their own policies. It is created by the admins for the customers. So if we click policy, yeah, so policy is also blocked. So that satisfies our test case 1 and test case 2, which is verify the system restricts the user access based on their role. So based on the roles, customer and admin, the access is restricted, and also if nobody is logged in, no one can access the main pages. So to verify the third one, sensitive information is encrypted. Yes, our main sensitive information is the login credentials and passwords, which since we are using ASP.NET, so the functionality provided by ASP.NET is this framework is that it encrypts the password and stores it as a hash. So even if somebody is looking at the hash, they will not be able to see what the password is. So like that, the encryption is there, and like so as you can see, the password hash is stored inside the database. So that is for the encryption side. Another thing I would like to mention here is the two-factor authentication. I guess we have demonstrated in previous videos, but let's do that here as well. So let me go to customer. Let me add my number here. So 671. I should get a notification right now. Yes, I have received the notification, and I will enter the code 664745. That's the correct code. Let's enter something wrong here. As you can see, fails to verify. So now let's enter the correct code. It accepts the correct code, and my number has been added for two-factor authentication. Now I can enable and disable this. So let's enable this. It's enabled now. So when I will log out and try to log in again as in customer 11, it will ask me to enter the two-factor code. So I will just click submit here, and I have received another code. The new code is 286.574. Okay, before I enter the correct one, let's enter the wrong one. Let's see. Yes, invalid code. So if I enter the correct one, so now as you can see, I have successfully logged in, and this test case is true for all other users as well. Just to keep the videos short and simple and demonstrate the main functionalities of and not carry out the exhaustive testing to save time. We are going to show this in the video. So if I go here, I can simply disable this, and yes, so two-factor is working as well. So that will be all for system security testing. Thank you.